Dialogue 11.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
No, I live in Chicago, but I used to live in Los Angeles.
What did you do there?
I used to be an actor. I used to be rich and famous.
Weather.
How's the weather today?
It's rainy.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was sunny.
How will the weather be?
It'll be hot.
How's the weather going to be?
It's going to be snowy.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is.
Was it warm yesterday?
No, it wasn't. It was chilly.
Will it be cloudy tomorrow?
Yes, it will.
Is it going to be windy tomorrow?
No, it won't.